You see them viewers, the video drop a road with the two crash dummy them we go shoot up 77 lane off Waltham. So no welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We have that for talk about. So no drop some like on the video. Subscribe to my channel if you no subscribe yet. So here we are going to them people. Gun bag, dead a Rallington town with matic pan him belly boy ma bust it pan squaddy them. And police find 295 pound of cocaine in an apartment complex at St. Andrew. So before me jump in at the reasoning, and me gonna know what I go on, pre this. When you see them viewers, the video drop a road with the incident where take place at Waltham with the two crash dummy them we pull up on a yengers. One of them jump off and start emptying clipping at the lane. See it there? Anybody coulda get it, you know. Thank God say nobody never drop, you know. People just pick up 9 ball and gone to hospital, you know. You see most of the youth them nowadays, boy, oppressors them, crash dummy them. The dance and the general just shove all iron in them hand and say, yo, around there so the boy them hang out, you know. Go around they go murder one of them. And them they even know the consequences them will go come after that. Remember this, you know, ghetto youth. You feel like you murder a man, boy, and nobody no know about it. Your own friend them a go talk about it. Your face a go start surface pan Black Channel till squaddy them a go seek and find you. And if I no squaddy them, at the app them, I go pull up at your foot come pronounce you. So see them people, run gone back round pan feed them lane now. Sit down in a white chair a drink rum and boom and feel like say them do something good. No for one is a wastage boy. One when no for one still a do boy. Dead house need to come pick up some of one like drunk row. So see it there. Video there road now. Squaddy soon go seek and find them, man. Fling 9 ball in the med, man. Some people walk with me, you know. We got a Rallington town now, you know. Where we see a gunman dead with a matic pan him belly. Half a MC squaddy them and decide say more in a shootout with squaddy them. And when the smoke clears, guess who left flat pan them face? Now the gunman, so no see it there. Perry's rich again, Madden rich again. Dufcat and Medares have more money for get again. And my people, no true no see that boy are dead, you know. And the gun get take police, you know. The Dan could have still sent to him family them and say them want back the money for them gun, you know. And if the gun no run back, you know, one walk at me, you know. Cause I saw the thing set boy, yeah. Most of the youth them want see run up and down with all iron in them and them no own it. A man fire stick them a fire. So when them lose it, you have to bite back. Or you go run away. Or the Dan go take your life. So see it there. What a life the youth them a live, boy. Either una go dead. Is either by una own friend or by una app. So see it there. Gunman dead at Rallington town with the Dan matic on him belly. And police them gone with it. You could have hear say they done want back the money for your thing. Some people walk with me. We got St. Andrew now. Where we see the police them find 138 kilograms, 295 pound of cocaine. The street value for that a 500 million US dollar. Jamaican value a 78 billion Jamaican. My people, when the police them run in the apartment complex, you know, at Charlton Court, you know, them arrest the property manager, you know, cause you don't know the thing go. Information run, smaddy half a leak, you know, for the police them find this, you know. You don't think this is a random search? When a random search, a 2 mil gone, couple kilo gone, not 295 pound of cocaine, me I tell you no. See it here? This is rich, me I tell you no, my viewers. Jamaica have money, you know. The only thing where mash up boy are crime and violence, you know. If the badness we cut out boy, you know, nowhere would the rich like boy, me I tell you no. Remember that. So see it you know, the property manager have to go talk, you know. Cause if I know your one, then I who for one. Eh? Some of viewers, Until next time, you know, I go dig off you now. Wanna stay safe out there. Protect on the 3 points out there. You hear that? New year, new dopey, same sad story. Make sure you not end up on the dead list. So until next time, you see me?